Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Ishita, your favorite makeup artist on the block, and I hope you have really missed me because it has been such a long time that I've come back on YouTube only to show you guys some goodies and some gifting options for your besties or the woman of your life. So basically, I have a few friends who are into skincare, and I absolutely love helping them out because they come to me with suggestions, asking for suggestions on what to buy, what not to buy, what products to try for our skincare routine, how to understand about our skin more and more, and the knowledge that I provide them is endless because I have myself been learning every day on how to take care of your skin better, and time to time I impart my knowledge to them as well, and they are pretty grateful for that. My best friend stays in Hyderabad, who keeps on asking me every day like what skincare to purchase and not, and I myself not physically being present there, I'm unable to help her properly. So to help her gift this Christmas, I have something special so that you guys can also get inspired and gift your besties and the love of your life or the woman of your life or your mother or anybody you feel like. So I have this goodie bag from Earth Rhythm. This is a Christmas special bag and it has the products that everybody can use, and it is suitable for all skin types as well. So let me show you quickly the products. The first product is this 10% mandelic acid serum with hyaluronic acid, which is an intensive renewal serum which is perfect for every skin type. Hyaluronic acid will help your skin keep moisturized throughout the winters, and mandelic acid will help with the pigmentation problem. The other product that I have is Phytofuse multivitamin face moisturizer. This product has 3% niacinamide, 2% bioretinol and 1% vitamin E. Everything works in this product to reduce your pigmentation and keep your skin hydrated for a long time. Vitamin E will help in hydration. Retinol will help in easing out with the fine lines and the wrinkles and the crow's feet around your eyes. And niacinamide will help with acne and acne marks and keep your skin hydrated as well. You can purchase these two products along with this Merry Christmas goodie bag via Earth Rhythm on their website, and they currently have a 50% off a running offer on their website, and you can get your hands on other sites as well like Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa as well. So rush to the Earth Rhythm website and get up to 50% off on your favorite products and give yourself and your besties the treat of Christmas. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and click the notification bell icon to not miss any update as well. Bye bye, Merry Christmas and a happy New Year in advance.